Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about my Constance bag. I've had this bag for several weeks now. I have been loving it, so I wanted to do kind of what fits, mod shots, my thoughts on this bag, etc. I've already done a deep dive similar to this on the 2424, and so I thought only fair the Constance should have her time to shine. Now, unlike the 2424, the Constance is very, very popular. I think the 2024 is probably less popular. You know, the Constance is basically a part of the Birkin Kelly trifecta. I think they call it, we refer to it as a trifecta. In a lot of places, it is known or considered a quota bag. At my store, it's not considered a quota bag, but it is kind of one of those loyalty bags you traditionally or commonly often need a relationship to be offered one of these bags. So my Constance is the 18, which is the smaller size, and this is the newer version, and we'll go into that in a minute. And it is in Chev, so it's goatskin leather in the rose pop color. So wow, this light's really bright. It's washing it out a little bit, but you can see it's like a shiny leather, palladium hardware, very hard wearing. The construction on this bag is stunning, perfect, impeccable. You know, there's like stitches down here. There's two compartments. You can see what I'm going to discuss in a little bit, which is that the phone kind of sort of fits, not really. So you can see it's distorted right now. It's full, but we'll talk about that. And then there's this long strap, which can be worn long, or you can easily double it up. The strap looks good when you're wearing the bag, but it kind of looks like crazy a little bit when you're not wearing the bag. It's kind of like woo everywhere. So that's one thing that I don't love. Also the little configuration with it sliding through the hoop. Sometimes I feel like, I don't know, it could like wear out over time, but those are just some early observations with the bag. To open it, it's super easy. It's just a little clasp here. It flips open like that. The H comes up. The inside, I think this is Swift. I forgot to check my receipt, but it's like slightly darker pink, but I think it's the same color pink. So you can see it's totally full. I'm gonna go through everything that's inside. There's two compartments. There's a big compartment in the back and a small compartment forward. You can see my giant phone with the case is shoved in there. You can see with the shape of the bag, the sides kind of curve in, and that's why the phone kind of fits, sort of fits, not really. I'm not super happy with it like that. You see it was distorting the bag. The bag without the phone in it is a much better shape. It was like kind of pushing out here, but without it, I think it's fine. This one kind of like curves down like that. I don't know, it kind of like wants to be a little clam shut. I don't know. You see how this is like not perfect. It's not from having my phone in there for the last 5 seconds, I promise. It's just like, I think part of the beauty of it being handmade is it's like, I don't know, not exactly perfect. Now here I am squishing the bag. I'm like, why are things wonky? It's not like people are going to be examining your bag like this. They're mostly going to see it like this or like this for a second, right? So anyway, okay, so I had my phone in there, but I probably would only really do that in emergencies. There's the back slip pocket here, which I didn't have anything in. And then in the back compartment, I had my card holder and car key. And then also the bag is smaller than it looks because it curves in here, but it also curves in on the bottom too. So just keep that in mind. Like the exterior dimensions are not the interior dimensions. Okay. And then in the front pocket here we have AirPods, cute, hand sanitizer, and a small lip balm. So it really does fit quite a bit, all told. I mean, with me and with my phone in there, even though it was kind of forced, it was okay. You know, it wasn't bad, it was okay. And then in the front, there is another slip pocket here. And then this is what makes it the new Constance, is it has a little mirror, which actually I haven't removed the sticky. Oh, let's do it together. Oh, so satisfying. And so this is just a little mirror that you can like check your makeup with. I don't know, with a little matching tab. It's cute. It's a cute detail. I'll just slide that back in there. I'll keep it in there. I don't know how useful that is. They're like, don't try and squeeze your compact in here, Maddie. Enough is enough. But that is the bag. I kind of like that there's a little bit of contrast there. I think overall it's very useful. I'm also really enjoying this color. It's just like the perfect pop of color. Jeans and a white t-shirt, all black. And this is actually really cute too. And the leather I feel like is going to be really hard wearing. It's like a really nice goat skin leather. Now, do I think this bag is worth it? I think so. This is basically, you know, Hermes's not response, but equivalent of the Chanel Classic Flap. And so, you know, I'm very familiar with flap bags. I like flap bags. I think this is a cute one. I think it's a good one. I like the style. I think, you know, it's very elegant and it will stay elegant looking for a long time. You know, some Chanel bags that I've had in the past, for example, like the denim mini flap that I ended up selling, I ended up selling it because it like kind of got smushy and squishy, and I know there was a time when I liked that, but now I'm really liking things that look a little bit more refined, and it just didn't feel refined whenever I was using it. It felt a little sloppy ploppy, and this feels very refined. So even with the little like wonky sides, although it's looking less wonky by the second, it's just a little bit, she leans forward a little bit when I stand her up. So anyway, now I will meet you over in that corner of the room to do a quick little try on. So I'll meet you over there. Okay, bye. Okay, and so to try on this bag, here I am standing up. You know, as I discussed, there's basically two ways to wear this bag. The first is with the straps doubled. This one I like. My test for if the doubled strap is too short or too long is if I can like fit my forearm and elbow through in one motion versus having to go like this. So for me, this like passes the test that I can wear it on my shoulder. I don't know. It's like something I think I got from my mom, but as you can see, it's really cute. You know, it sits right under my arm. There is like enough room here. So if I was wearing a thicker sweater or a jacket, it would work out just fine. So there is room there, even though it is a little short, a little high, but with room. So I would say like medium height drop from here to here. Then the next way is with the strap completely extended. This is the perfect length, I think, for on the shoulder. And I think this bag looks so elegant that way. Stand on my tippy toes so you can see. But I think this is like the perfect, like comfortable weight here. Feels really good on the shoulder, looks really nice on the body. Like it's just the perfect little compact size. And then finally, there's crossbody. The crossbody I think is a good height on me. It's the good side of short, I guess I'll say. It's like the good side of high. So you can see like this waistband right here. It's like right at my waist. And so I wouldn't want it higher like at my bra line. That would be too short for me. I think it's like a good high waist. So I think, you know, if you are very petite, I think this would probably still work for you because of how high it is on me. Maybe not like 5 foot, but if you're like 5'2", I think it could be really good. If you're much taller than I am, I'm 5'6", or, you know, much curvier than I am, you might not be comfortable with it crossbody. So unlike the 24-24, which I feel like could be a bag for everybody, this bag for comfort wise, crossbody might not fit like the very, very petite or the very, very curvy. So there you go, so cute. All right, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed sharing about my Constance bag with you, and I hope you all have a really great day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and then otherwise I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.